Today I'm going to show you how to use absolute cell references so you don't end up with errors like this in your spreadsheet and you end up with everything calculated correctly, caused by you copy and pasting your formulas and then one of your cells moving when you don't want it to. So what we're looking at here, we've got annual ticket sales from the 10 most popular films 2019. These are individual sales. We want to know how many tickets are sold, and this is our average price up here in cell F3. So you've created your first formula, which is B4 divided by F3, but you've copy and pasted it and you get the div error here. You can see this error is caused because as you've copy and pasted it, your F column cell keeps moving down. You don't want it to do that. So how do you solve this? Well, we go into C4, we find F3, and what you're going to do now once that's highlighted is press F4 on your keyboard, and it wraps the F and the 3 and the $sign, and this now becomes what is called an absolute cell reference. So when you now copy and paste this formula, your F cell will not move at all. So we just hold, copy and paste, fills out correctly.